rod down, grab.
All your fish, come on. Over here, he's going all over. Here.
Gotta get past you guys.
Just let me know if you want me to reel in my rod, bro.
No, you don't need to rod. Watch
He's on top.
Make sure your drive his ass to the left.
Yeah.
Get away.
Right, Steven.
Feel heavy?
Might be
swimming
Steven,
Steven.
man.
Steven's on it.
You got that big ass.
He's flying.
I was wondering he was going to set the hook. You about rip
Red
that shit.
line. Red line up.
He's waiting for that second tab.
Sometimes that's too late.
He's coming
Hey,
in.
Marcos.
Let him walk
Red
him
line.
outside. Yeah, get him around the
Is that right?
Put that rod in your hand down. Put that rod in your hand down. Where are you going?
Put it on that side.
Chino, get ready to grab your rod.
I will.
Okay.
Just go over
So
him.
reel in?
Let him get out of the way.
Now just lift that rod up. Let him come up the
Got
rail.
it? He got it, man.
Put
Okay.
your rod- There you go. Now bring your fish up the rail. There you go.
Okay.
What is it? Almost.
Sturgeon.
There you go.
Right, Steven. Steven on a fish.
Do it.
That'll be dead.
Little peanut.
Every time. Yup.
Shaker. But it's alright, it's action.
You gotta catch him before you let him go.
Shaker sturgeon.
Those all beat up. Little fucker.
What's her eating? That's good.
Yeah, he's angry.
He's already been hooked.
Does he?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Little
You don't learn, huh?
They're right there.
He don't
Hey,
hair
hey,
Twice.
you don't learn.
like, scared the shit out of him.
Look at the diamonds on that creek.
Let me back and get these rods back in.
Crazy looking.